The year is moving fast, faster than you think. And while you are waiting for the right moment, the right mood, the right sign, time is making a decision for you. Silence is a choice. Stillness is a choice. And right now, that choice is costing you. Before this year ends, everything can change, but only if you move. Most young men are going to finish this year exactly where they started. Same income, same habits, same excuses dressed up in different words. Not because opportunity didn't exist, because they spent their time consuming instead of building, watching instead of learning, hoping instead of working. That is not going to be you, not after today. There are 5 skills that the market rewards without mercy. 5 skills that do not care about your background, your degree, or where you grew up. They only care about one thing, whether you put in the work to master them. Copywriting, the ability to use words to move people to action. Every business on earth needs this. If you can write words that sell, you will never be broke. This skill alone can change your financial life within months. Video editing. The world has moved to video. Content is currency. Brands, creators, and companies are desperate for people who can take raw footage and turn it into something people cannot stop watching. Learn this, and you become valuable overnight. Sales. Not manipulation, real sales. The ability to understand what someone needs and show them how to get it. Every high earner on the planet knows how to sell a product, a service, an idea, themselves. This skill transfers everywhere. Web design and development. Businesses live online now. A clean, fast, well-built website is not optional, it is survival. If you can build digital spaces that convert visitors into customers, you will always have work. Always. Personal branding and content creation. The ability to build an audience around who you are and what you know. Attention is the new oil. The people who know how to capture it consistently are building wealth while others sleep. None of these skills require a university. None of them require money to start. They require something most people refuse to give: focused time, consistent effort, and the willingness to be bad at something until you are not. Here's the truth nobody tells you. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is not luck. It is not talent, it is skill. Skill is learnable, skill is buildable, but only by the people who decide to show up every single day and do the work even when it feels slow. This year is not over. There is still time, but time does not wait for comfort. It does not pause for doubt. It moves, and the only question is whether you're moving with it. Pick one skill, start today, not tomorrow. Not Monday, today, because the person you want to become is built one decision at a time, and this is yours.